How to create checklist on cards with Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create checklist on cards with Trello. So first of all, just simply open the Trello's official website, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged into your account, just simply open the card where you want to add checklist in the Trello. So for example, I want to add checklist in this particular board, in these particular cards that I have added in my board. So just simply open the card where you want to add checklist, and at the right hand side menu you will be able to see the option called checklist. Just simply click on it, and now you just have to name or give the title for the particular checklist that you would want to create. So for example, I want to create a checklist for my daily routine, and after that just simply click on add, and over here you have to add items in order to make the particular checklist for the cards that you're creating. Coffee, click on save and click on add an item, and you can keep on adding different items in order to create a checklist for you to click when you complete these tasks on a daily basis. So for example, if you're creating for that, and I will also add reading books or maybe reading only, click on next or add, and then add movie, let's say, and click on add. And now you can simply go on and create a n number of list or checklist that you would want to create. And if you want to add more checklists, just simply click on checklist again and give another name for the checklist that you're creating. So it could be books, let's say, and click on add, and now you have another checklist over here. So now over here you can add the genre of the books that you are reading. Click on add. So you can go on and create n number of checklists that you would want to create in the Trello account. So yeah, this is how simple it is to create checklist on card with Trello. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.